Hello everyone. This lesson will introduce the resource library and official market, so let's get started. Click Resource Library right here. There are so many garments and resources here. Now, let's take a look one by one. Look at the first folder, Garment. Here are some basic garments. Double-click the Females folder, open it. We can see the basic models of pants, shirts, skirts, suits and sweaters. Click the model you want, then double-click to open or edit. Then click OK. Now we can see that the pants has been added. We can also click the cloud icon in the upper right corner to enter the official market. There are thousands of garments can be used here. Select the garments and download it. Using the resources that have been done well can effectively improve work efficiency. Next, click on the avatars, and there are child, boy, girl, female and male. Let's pick a folder as an example. So it will divide the avatars into appearance, emotion, hair, pose, shoes, size and skin. We add Nana, then double-click it to edit. Then click OK, and it added. Then we press the space bar to simulate, and the clothes just added will be worn on. Then adjust the avatar. We can change the appearance of the avatar. Then double-click the Street folder to return to the previous. We also can change her size, such as 100A or 100B. Here can change the pose. Change a pair of shoes. Even can change her skin. You can change any element to achieve the effect you want. It can be done interactively. Click corresponding folder, enter the cloud. We can enter the official market of this category. We can see there are many materials can be choose. The fabric and color are also very diverse. Each preset contains texture map and its physical properties. If we want to add the material, can double-click it then add it. We also can add by drag like this. In addition to fabric presets, there have normal map presets. The normal map be classified according to different types. The normal map of cotton fabrics are here. If you want to do a texture optimization, you can directly drag the normal map to the normal map plus sign in property editor. Zoom in the fabric. Normal map is being added. In this way, we have finished the optimization of a garment texture. Double-click the E-Street folder to return to the previous. Enter the official market of fabric category by clicking the small cloud icon on the fabric folder. Find a nice fabric. Click to download it. It will appear in the corresponding location of the resource library. Double-click it to edit. The next one is about graphic. You can double-click it to select Edit. If you choose to add in the form of fabric, it will appear in the fabric window. We can drag it onto the pattern we want to apply, and we can see that it is displayed as a texture. If you choose to add in the form of graphic, it will appear in the graphic window. You can double-click it and add it the way you want. Click the cloud icon in the upper right corner to enter our official market. There are all kinds of graphic here. This is trim, which includes all zippers, buttons, top stitch, eyelet, cord, bags, and so on. There are various buttons here. We can double-click it to edit. You can also download the application in the official market. In this way, it will in the corresponding location. Double-clicked to edit. The last one is the scene preset. Different scene styles can be added to Style3D window. Double-click it and add it. Already been imported. It includes not only props, scenes, but also lights are prepared in advance. There are many resources in the resource library and official market. All the materials you need can be found here. It can meet more than 90% of our needs. By using these functions, the production of Style3D garments can become more convenient, efficient, and beautiful. That's it, guys. And I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.